chronicles of the Wolf Ivory Mountain Range speak of a day where the heavens themselves seem to lean closer, as if eager to witness a clash of spirit and will. In recap, Martial God Asura chapter 585-586, Chu Feng arrives at the hidden ravine, only to find the Ma family's formidable strength casting long shadows over the Li family's modest assembly. Amidst the murmurs of awe, an ancient figure rises, Yukun, towering, scarred, yet vibrant with life, a living testament to the power that decades of cultivation can carve. Eyes that can see beyond flesh detect the sealed ravine, yet the spirit formation guarding it laughs at the scrutiny. An enigma waiting to be unraveled. And now, as Yuelao unleashes a blue-hued sword of spirit, a counterforce emerges. Mr. Gu, a purple-cloaked World Spiritist, whose mere presence bends expectation and sets the stage for a duel that will decide who bears the weight of opening this sacred place. The air crackles, and every heart holds its breath. Destiny waits to be carved in the surging light of spirit formation. In the shadowed folds of the Wolf Ivory Mountains, a quiet tension gripped the air, thick and electric. Chu Feng and his companions traversed the rugged terrain with swift determination, drawn toward a secluded ravine whispered of in legends. At its base, a gathering of formidable figures awaited. Members of the Ma family, their presence radiating a subtle yet undeniable aura of dominance. Even from a distance, the strength of the Ma family was palpable. The lowest among them clung to the 5th level of the heaven realm, yet many had reached its peak. Among them were 18 blue-cloaked World Spiritists, a number that dwarfed the Li family's meager 5. Power and prestige clung to the Ma family like an unbreakable shroud, their superiority undeniable, not only in numbers, but in sheer martial might. Amidst the assembly, one figure commanded the eye above all others. Towering near 3 meters, his form exuded both the weight of age and the vigor of peak cultivation. Muscles thick and firm beneath time-worn robes, his face etched with marks that spoke of countless battles rather than mere years. This was Yukun, patriarch of the Ma family, a rank 1 martial lord whose presence alone seemed to bend the air with authority. Chu Feng's gaze met him, and with certainty, he recognized the legend incarnate before him. "Brother, you've finally arrived. I've been awaiting this moment for far too long." Yukun's voice rang out, warm yet commanding, as he rose with effortless grace to greet the Li family's master. The two exchanged smiles, an outward display of camaraderie that belied the silent tension simmering beneath. Chu Feng's attention, however, was drawn past the show of brotherly affection toward the ravine itself. He lifted his gaze, employing the discerning vision of his heaven's eyes. The terrain hinted at a spiritual lair, yet its secrets eluded him. Not from weakness, but because the hidden expert who sealed this place had erected a spirit formation beyond ordinary comprehension. The entrance, the core of the lair. Everything lay concealed beneath layers of profound, unyielding artistry. The air hummed with anticipation as the two masters spoke, their voices carrying the weight of generations. "Brother, at long last, the day has come. The ancestors watch over us, and now this place may finally be opened." Yukun intoned, producing a stone case from the depths of his cosmos sack. Its surface bore intricate patterns, subtle yet potent in their design. Inside, an object of immeasurable significance waited. The Li family's master mirrored his gesture, revealing an almost identical case. "Our ancestors decreed that only a World Spiritist may unlock this place. Neither of us holds that title. Who then shall bear this responsibility?" he asked, the gravity of his words sinking into the valley below. Yukun's eyes gleamed with resolve. "We need only select the finest among our families. Let each choose, and let the chosen duel in spirit formation technique. The victor shall wield both keys and unveil the hidden depths." A decisive plan, simple yet steeped in tradition. The Li family's master nodded, agreement firm. He swept his gaze across his own ranks, settling finally on Yuelao. "Yuelao, the weight of the Li family's honor falls to you." The young World Spiritist straightened, smoothing the blue cloak upon his shoulders, pride and determination igniting in his eyes. A glance toward Chu Feng carried a silent challenge. "Little one, witness this moment. I shall represent our family with honor." "Go, Mr. Gu," Yukun commanded in turn. From the Ma family's assembly, A figure stepped forward, an older man cloaked in the deep blue of World Spiritists. His presence radiated calm certainty, cultivated over countless trials. Though matched to Yuelao in the 9th level of the Heaven Realm, his confidence was absolute. "My friend, how shall we commence our contest?" he asked with measured courtesy. Yuelao's smirk was cold, pride brimming. "Is there truly a question? Spirit formation techniques shall decide this duel." With a resolute hum, boundless azure power erupted from his body, swirling in the air around him. His hands danced with fluid precision, tracing runes and symbols in rapid succession, weaving a massive formation above the ravine. With a sudden, resonant surge, a colossal sword, 3 meters wide, 9 meters tall, materialized, formed from the pure essence of his spirit formation. It cleaved through the air, a dazzling azure blade aimed unerringly at Mr. Gu. The power was not mere combat skill. It was the embodiment of strategic artistry, a weapon forged from the mastery of formation itself. Gasps echoed among the Li family's ranks. As expected of Yuelao, such a formidable spirit formation. Their awe was genuine. None among them could replicate such power. Yet, even as admiration rippled through their circle, the Ma family's observers remained unshaken, their calm born of unwavering faith in their chosen champion. "My friend, impressive though your technique is, a blue formation alone cannot claim victory over me." Mr. Gu's voice was calm, almost serene. A single motion summoned a deep violet formation, coalescing in the air with an intensity that defied comprehension. Shock swept through the Li family. What? Purple-cloaked World Spiritist? Impossible. The revelation struck like lightning. Such mastery, ordinarily reserved for martial lords, now stood before them in human form. Faces once smug now mirrored disbelief and fear. To wield a purple spirit formation before reaching the pinnacle of martial lord status was the mark of a true dragon among men. Mr. Gu's emergence shattered any illusion of parity. The battle was lost before it began. In that charged silence, the hidden power of the Wolf Ivory Mountain seemed to lean closer, bearing witness to the clash of legacies, the unfolding of destinies, and the birth of a legend yet untold. The air hung heavy with tension, thick enough to suffocate even the boldest of cultivators. A murmured challenge sliced through the chaos. "A purple-cloaked World Spiritist, you say? Do you truly believe you can break my giant sword?" Yuelao's eyes burned with stubborn defiance, though he felt the immense power of the spirit formation, far surpassing his own. His pride would not allow surrender. Teeth clenched, he poured every ounce of his inner strength into the massive blue blade he wielded. In a heartbeat, the sword, once a formidable 9 meters of sharpened azure steel, surged, stretching into an overbearing dozen meters, its aura multiplying, radiating pure destructive intent. Yet across the battlefield, Mr. Gu remained unfazed. A faint, mocking curl of his lips betrayed his confidence, his gaze unwavering as he prepared his next move. "Grow!" he roared, and the air quivered around him. From the depths of the purple spirit formation, a colossal apparition emerged. Symbols and sigils whirled in a mesmerizing pattern, radiant and deadly. Light burst outward as a powerful aura expanded, suffocating and commanding. Then, with a resonant boom, the massive blue sword neared its target, and a gigantic purple hand erupted from the formation. Fingers outstretched, it seized the sword with terrifying swiftness. The clash resonated like rolling thunder. The enormous hand clutched the azure blade, and with a resounding bang, the sword splintered into countless shards. In that instant, Yuelao's face drained of color. His lips twisted, blood spewing, staining his robe crimson. His knees buckled, and he collapsed helplessly, only saved from complete ruin by the timely intervention of the Li family cultivators. From the spirit formation came a roar that shook hearts. The colossal hand accelerated, coalescing into a monstrous form before the stunned eyes of all present. Towering dozens of meters high, the entity bore a humanoid frame fused with bestial ferocity. Its half-transparent purple body shimmered with the intricate patterns of the spirit formation, yet it moved with a lifelike intelligence, radiating overwhelming power. Witnessing such a creature, even the most seasoned cultivators could not suppress a shiver of awe. Such mastery, he has elevated spirit formation arts to an unprecedented realm, voices whispered, tinged with admiration and fear. Amid the spectators, the Ma family's master grinned smugly. It appears that the task of opening the treasure falls entirely to our Mr. Gu, he said, satisfaction brimming in his tone. The Li family's master, smiling, joined him, extending stone cases toward Mr. Gu in apparent courtesy, though his eyes could not hide the flicker of worry. For Yuelao's defeat was no mere personal loss. It marked the humiliation of the entire Li family. Faces once haughty now carried shadows of shame and despair. Yet, just as the scene seemed sealed, a clear, commanding voice cut through the murmurs. Mr. Gu, may I learn a thing or two about spirit formations from you? Every head turned, astonishment spreading like wildfire. From the Lai family's ranks emerged a striking figure. A handsome, middle-aged man, calm yet resolute. It was Wu Qing, none other than Chu Feng in disguise. Panic rippled among the Li family. Wu Qing, do not dare, whispered hidden messages, caution and fear blending in their mental pleas. Even Li Chan and the family patriarch hesitated, wary of the audacity of an 8th-level heaven cultivator confronting a 9th-level world spiritist. Mr. Gu's eyes swept over Chu Feng, a smirk of derision playing at his lips. Courageous indeed. Pray tell, what is your name? I am Wu Qing, Chu Feng replied, voice serene, unshaken. A mocking gleam danced in Mr. Gu's eyes. Wu Qing, do you truly wish to spar with spirit formation techniques? Do you dare not? Chu Feng countered, his tone sharp, unyielding. A laugh, rich and amused, escaped Mr. Gu. Dare not? Foolish words, yet heed this. The distance between our powers is vast. If I truly strike, you will not survive. Chu Feng's gaze sharpened, unwavering. Then I shall heed your caution, but I will not cower. If I can make your formation giant tremble, I claim victory. Very well. My word stands. Strike carefully, Wu Qing, and know I look upon your courage with respect, not disdain. Mr. Gu replied, spreading his hands with a casual grace, as though the outcome were inconsequential. A faint smile touched Chu Feng's lips before vanishing into cold determination. Arms outstretched, he unleashed a torrent of swirling, arcane symbols into the air. The symbols crackled and spiraled, drilling into the very essence of the battlefield. His speed was blinding. After images raced like lightning, obscuring the true path of his movements. The world itself responded to his surge of power. Tremors shook the ground, rocks quivering before lifting from the earth. The air twisted and churned as if reality itself was bending under the pressure of his cultivation. Every onlooker felt it, the pulse of a legend awakening, a young master stepping fully onto the stage of destiny.